All right, let's take a look at KingdomKonnect. So if you were going to be logging into your account and the account's already created for you, then you have the standard type of login here. So you can do just a standard login, or you can sign in with your um, Facebook or social media credentials. And then once you get inside here, then we're going to have a dashboard, my account, campaign progress, donors, gifts, posts, and tasks. So on the dashboard here, this would be for an individual missionary or missionary family in this case. We will have some roll-up reporting at the ministry level, but the data you're seeing here is just for that particular staff member who's raising money. So you see in the dashboard some recent gifts. We can click on more gifts to get more than just those that have just recently come in. We have some tasks up here, so we're going to be helping to provide specific tasks, and we're going to work with the ministries in regards to coming up with procedures and plans for what size donations are coming in, what kind of thank you and correspondence processes should be completed. And we've got a simple campaign progress bar here for the missionary family to kind of follow. And then here there's a couple different sections where you can do this, but this is where you would be making a post to basically your blog, your wall type of thing. So posting a photo, text, video, and we'll see that in a sec where that ends up. But that's the dashboard. And then under the My Account section is pretty much your standard profile section that you would set up for any type of software that you're creating an account for. There. And then campaign progress, a specific page here just for kind of how donations are coming in total. So we can see what the goal is and set that here, and what the total raised amount is. And we can down here, we can see how many donors in the system, what's the average donation size, and how many new donors are subscribing. You can also filter the criteria here based on these items, so you can get, you can kind of set what time frame you're looking for. In the donor section, so this would be, all of the donors who have made donations, so we can do search and lookups for people here, and pull them up, and then go into more detail here on each donor. So then we're going to get basically some background bio info, and then also all the transactions would be showing here as well. In the gift section, there's just another area for where we can just be looking at the gifts alone. And I mentioned as far as the video and email or image posts, so that will be made here. So then you've got kind of a blog setup section here, so you can see the posts that have gone up, and then you can unpublish, edit, delete the things that are public facing and that the public is viewing, so you can manage all of that here. And then in the task section, this is where you're going to be seeing what tasks you've completed and what tasks are incomplete, but you would also be establishing and managing what tasks are needed for this particular missionary family that they're to follow. So that's basically the insides of KingdomKonnect. So we'll take a look here at what the exterior looks like. So basically, you would come to a KingdomKonnect.com website, and it's kind of like a Just Giving kind of thing where you can create your own account on the fly, and then there's also opportunity here to pick up other KingdomKonnect clients and the fundraisers that they're doing as well. Then you would click on Join to to set that up here. So listing some specific information and the mission profile, your Twitter feed and that sort of thing. And then here is going to be the main blog section. So pretty nice looking here. And the difference between this and some of the other normal blogs that the missionaries would be sending out is that the donate section is going to be all the payment processing is built into this as well. So we're going to see these posts that we saw in the posts section of the application, but then we're also going to be pushing in the Twitter and Facebook posts that they have from their individual family posts, but then we're also going to have ministry-based posts that are coming from the ministry at large. And so we're planning on putting those down the right-hand side, as you can see here, but we're also planning on inserting some of those in the middle of the normal wall or blog section along the way as well. So that's Kingdom Connect.